How to get buffered live data in Excel using Datascope. Task. Get the last 20 bid pips of the FX rates EUR, USD and USD, Japanese yen. Datascope works with formulas. Use the Dairy Live ribbon to paste the correct formula. Start by selecting the cell where you want to paste the formulas. You will need this ribbon section that lists the supported providers. Currently, the only provider that delivers real-time Forex bid and ask pips is the TrueFX. Click here. Choose Display Series of Most Recent Live Data. And then OK. The incoming bid pips are displayed over this two-column range. New feeds arrive every 5 seconds due to this entry. Each new feed appears at the top and pushes the older feeds one row lower. Let's make things faster by reducing the takt to 1 second. Only 2 columns are shown, with the currency pairs, EUR, USD, and USD, Japanese yen, because of this entry. The displayed numbers represent the bid pips because of this entry. Only 20 rows of buffered data are displayed because of this entry. The Datascope engine receives and retains many more feeds than those appearing in the 2 columns D and E. All these currency pairs and all these fields are fetched and retained. You control the displayed field through this entry. Let's change it to Ask Pips. Check out the following videos for more information on Datascope live feeds.